when the air turns on, we're sending carbon monoxide through your air ducts into your home, and we don't want that to happen. Hi, my name's Alex with Abacus Air Conditioning. We're going to be talking about your heat exchanger today. How a heat exchanger works: we have gas going into your furnace, which gets ignited and turns into flames here. The flames go into your heat exchanger. The heat exchanger heats up. We pass air through the heat exchanger, which heats up the home. The importance of checking the heat exchanger every year is we have to check if there's any cracks within it. If we have cracks within the heat exchanger, that is producing carbon monoxide, and when the air turns on, we're sending carbon monoxide through your air ducts into your home, and we don't want that to happen. If we do have cracks within the heat exchanger, we can always replace it, but depending on the age of the furnace, we would always recommend replacing the furnace at the same time.